Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, horses are of three types. One is reward for a man, and the other is a screen for a man, and the third is a burden for a man. As for the one reward for him, it is that the man has kept it for fighting in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Then he extends it thither in the meadow or the garden. He will procure the reward for eating in the pasture or in the garden due to the extension of the rope. If it breaking the tether goes beyond one or two knolls, the master will earn rewards in exchange for its each step and dung. And if it passes by a river and drinks water from it, that will be counted as his reward, though the owner has no intention to water it. So this horse is a reward for that man. If a man keeps a horse to benefit himself and avoid begging without forgetting Allah's right over its neck and back, poor due, it will be a screen for that man. And if a man keeps a horse because of vanity and show off, it will be a burden, sin for him. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked about the asses. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, nothing has been revealed to me in this connection except for this general and comprehensive verse. Then whosoever has done good of an atom's weight shall see it, and whosoever has done evil of an atom's weight shall see it. Surah Al-Zilzal, verse 7-8. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7356.